Validation. How many of us have heard this word and we might think of it as something negative? I mean, we tend to, मतलब हमें वैसे लोग अजीब लगते थे कि यार इसको तो constant validation चाहिए. You know, maybe कुछ लोग को पसंद है constant validation, constant तारीफ सुनना, या फिर yes they are doing something right, या फिर they understand their own worth from these constant validation. But what it is? Let me tell you that validation works as a fuel of our lives, and it is very much similar to fuel to run, a car or a bike or something. Just imagine what will happen if the fuel gets exhausted or there's no fuel at all. It will not run, चलेगा ही नहीं वो. I mean, basic requirement is कि उसमें fuel चाहिए, be it petrol or diesel, be it anything, okay? But the point is कि similarly, in our day-to-day lives as well, we need fuel to run, to work, to function. But to suffice this need of constant validation, as it is very much significant, क्योंकि we might feel like हम कुछ करते हैं उसके लिए हमें motivation चाहिए, discipline चाहिए, and many more things. But where it is coming from? It is coming from the validation that we are getting. But here comes the important point. What happens when the fuel gets exhausted? Basically, what happens जब आपको external validation मिलना बंद हो जाए? You start relying on your internal validation system. But what if you aren't even aware of this fact कि ये भी होता है? Yes. And most of us aren't aware क्योंकि अब तक हमारा जो coping mechanism था वो हमें ये कहता था कि जब हम बाहर से validate होंगे या फिर the moment when we'll get that approval कि ठीक है we are doing right and we will be able to know our worth from external sources, then it is validation. No, it's not. And not just that, but it's also like you can validate yourself. As I say, everything comes from within, right? So this also needs to come from within. And here you will touch the point of abundance. क्यों? क्योंकि everything that comes within, इसका कोई limit नहीं है. It cannot stop if you know the right way to bring it, to work with it. And this self-validation will work as a fuel to reach your goal, to achieve a peaceful life. और आपको कुछ भी चाहिए, you can achieve. Even if you are stuck somewhere in your life and you feel like what am I supposed to do, या फिर what should be the right choice, or should I move on or do something, you will get it within. I mean, the answers are all within yourself. So first let me tell you what does validating yourself actually means. Okay, so it means that accepting your own feelings, experiences and worth without needing constant external approval. It also means building internal strength by acknowledging your emotions, recognizing your strength and trusting your own judgment. Be it acknowledging your own emotions, acknowledging your strength and building that inner foundation so strong that no one or nothing external can able to shake it up, and practice or setting boundaries, healthy boundaries, and taking action, what's right for you, what's not, accordingly. So look, if I start talking about what's validation and how much it is good for someone, it will keep go on and on. But the point is कि ठीक है, we know that this is the right thing to do, but how we are going to reach to that point जहाँ पे we can start self-validating ourselves, जहाँ पे हमें external approvals की ज़रूरत ना पड़े, जहाँ पे even if someone is not validating our emotions, we know that the emotions that we are feeling is authentic, we know that we are right. हमें कुछ अप्रूवल की ज़रूरत नहीं है बाहर से कि ठीक है whatever you're feeling it's okay to feel. नहीं, this should come from you, right? But how this will come? So I'm here to guide you or help you how you can start validating yourself, because it is the need of the hour. First, identify, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, अगर हमें कुछ चीज़ें ठीक करनी होती है, पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, उसको एनालाइज करते हैं, देन उसको रेक्टिफाई करते हैं, देन वी स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग, राइट? सो यहाँ पे भी प्रोसेस यही होने वाला है. ऑब्जर्व हाउ ऑफन we are looking for reassurance. Ask yourself that do you already know what you want, yet you are asking for reassurance. For an example, suppose आपको किसी चीज़ से बुरा लगा, ठीक है, and you are like कि you are not even into your emotions fully, but you are doubting yourself कि is it right to feel this way, so why do you need that reassurance? अगर आपको बुरा लगा तो लगा, अब वो छोटी बात हो या बड़ी बात हो, that's not the point, right? It hurt you. And it's you who need to know your emotions and why that emotions triggered. But यहाँ पे हमें क्या लगता है ना कि is it right? And then we ask or seek somehow approval कि ठीक है क्या हम सही कर रहे हैं, या फिर is it okay to feel this way? It is okay. It's your core emotions, so feel the way you like it and accept it. क्योंकि कभी कभी ना कुछ चीज़ें हैवी इसलिए भी हो जाती है क्योंकि हम उसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते एंड वी कीप ऑन डिनाइंग इट. डोंट डिनाई, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट एंड वर्क विद इट. नेक्स्ट कम्स स्टार्ट नेमिंग व्हाट यू फील. अगर आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है तो फिगर इट आउट कि ये गुस्सा आ रहा है क्यों आ रहा है. ठीक है, इफ यू आर फीलिंग अनश्योर, एंग्शियस और समवेयर इवन प्राउड, तो जस्ट स्टॉप राइट देयर विद इन योर सेल्फ एंड हैव दैट सेंस ऑफ फीलिंग कि वाई. आई मीन ये इमोशंस अगर आपको हिट किया, ट्रिगर किया ऑल ऑफ अ सडन कोई इमोशंस, तो क्यों? You know, as you know, feeling don't need justification to be real. Most of the time we feel like, is it justified? ये question आता है ना कि ठीक है, the way I'm feeling, is it justified? Yes, it is justified. But don't ask from someone else or don't wait for anything external to let you justify. Understand from within कि ठीक है, अगर मुझे किसी चीज़ से गुस्सा आता है, क्यों आया? Why that emotion is triggered? You know? Then acknowledge your every effort. Most of the time, you know, हमें क्या होता है ना कि we are such related to or attached to that outcome, we even forget the efforts that we put. So validate those efforts. No, outcome अगर if you get the results, it's pretty much fine. If not, then just have that sense of satisfaction कि you did your best. Most of the time as a student we fail because we don't even validate our own efforts. Yeah, it's literally a journey. But the point is that we forget this journey and we just, you know, see the outcome कि ठीक है, we didn't get it. You got it. You literally got it from your effort. And next time, who knows, you will actually get it. If you are giving so much effort, you are already, you know, ahead of 70% of the people. क्योंकि 70% लोग effort डालते ही नहीं, and you are giving that, you know, 110% effort. What else? Replace that, you know, self-attack or self-criticism with self-guidance and that emotional reasoning कि ठीक है, if I have been here somewhere wrong, या फिर मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए तो क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए था. अगर आपने वो किया तो क्यों किया? अगर आपको किसी मोमेंट में गुस्सा आया and you said something bad to that person, why you did that? What led you to say those words? And ask yourself what is the most reasonable step for now. अब देखो, जब हम ये अपना पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट करते हैं ना कि वी स्टॉप सेल्फ क्रिटिसाइजिंग, वी स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग कि ठीक है, वॉट एवर वी हैव डन, ठीक है, वो हो चुका है, व्हाट नाउ? आई सेड दैट. अब मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट हैपेंस इज ना, अगर हम लोग कुछ ऐसा कर देते हैं या फिर ऐसा कुछ डिसाइड कर लेते हैं दैट समहाउ वेयर वी फील दैट वी माइट हैव डन रॉन्ग, होता क्या है, वी स्टार्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग आवरसेल्फ, व्हिच इज नॉट एट ऑल हेल्दी इन एनी given scenario or at any cost. One should not criticize themselves. It is not a good thing. And I would also suggest you that, you know, ये self criticism को somewhere इसको shift कर दो validation से. क्योंकि जब आप खुद को वैलिडेट करते हो ना, अपने इमोशंस को वैलिडेट करते हो ना, इट्स नॉट जस्ट समथिंग पॉजिटिव, एज इन कि आप बस पॉजिटिव इमोशंस को नहीं वैलिडेट करते, यू ऑल्सो वैलिडेट दोज नेगेटिव इमोशंस जो किसी नेगेटिव चीज़ों के कारण ही आया है. एंड देयर यू विन द गेम समहाउ, क्योंकि जब आपको पता चल जाता है कि वो नेगेटिव इमोशंस क्यों आ रहा है and what causing that emotion, you get to know how to deal with those emotions, and even you are able to have that, you know, control, proper control on your own emotions, be it negative or positive. Then comes stop over explaining your choices. You know, explanation is not validation. और अगर आपसे कोई explanation मांग रहा है ना to validate you, run away. I mean, this doesn't make any sense. And the point is, हमें लगता है ना कि the more we'll explain, ठीक है, the more clarity that person will gain over certain things, या फिर even if it's our life, our own decision, yet we tend to clarify or give the explanation. Why do we do that? For validation. But tell me one thing, the moment you know how to validate yourself, will you need that? No. You will just be there to let them know what you have decided. देखो, जब हमें ना खुद पे ही डाउट होता है, सेल्फ डाउट होता है ना, वी डाउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस, बी चाहे वो कोई छोटा से छोटा डिसीजन हो या फिर कोई बड़ा ही डिसीजन क्यों ना हो. एंड एवरी इमोशंस जो आता है ना, हमें लगता है दिस इज नॉट जस्टिफाइड, बट हु इज देयर टू जस्टिफाई इट? यू आर देयर टू फील इट, validate it and let it go. If it is not good for you, let it go. But how you will let it go? First, you will understand, analyze ki why it is happening. Then, you know, get the hold of it ki theek hai, whatever the reason is, if this particular thing makes you angry, you will set boundaries and you will stop practicing it. जब आप खुद में सक्षम होते जाओगे, आपको बाहरी वैलिडेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. एंड द मोर आपको बाहर का वैलिडेशन का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, द मोर साइलेंस यू विल स्टार्ट create in your own space around you, and this silence will turn out into a confidence, an unshakable confidence कि ठीक है, whatever decision you have made, it's for your own good and you need not to explain it to someone else outside. or externally. Then separate feedback from self-worth. And how you're going to do that? Feedback is basically information and self-worth is non-negotiable. हम क्या करते हैं ना, हमें लगता है कि ठीक है, to know how worthy we are, we tend to take somewhere कि ठीक है, how we are doing at this, basically feedback लेते हैं. And feedback is what? To giving the information, ठीक है, whatever things that we have done or doing, is it correct? Is it okay? Is it up to the mark? Or is it even justifiable? But let me tell you, it's nothing to do with your self-worth. क्योंकि your self-worth is immense. I mean, you're worthy enough of anything. Believe it or not, but I would tell you, start believing it. Because the moment you will hit this target, you will stop justifying, giving people explanation, over-explaining, needing validation from outside, or anything that is not good for you. अब देखो, it's not like that. I'm not saying कि validation from or external validation is not good. It is good. But आप एक बात बताओ, चाहे वो हमारे पेरेंट्स हो, हमारे सिबलिंग्स हो, पार्टनर हो, फ्रेंड्स हो, लव इंटरेस्ट जो भी हो, बट द थिंग इज कि आपको जितना भी वैलिडेशन मिल रहा है ना, इफ़ इट्स अ फ्यूल ऑफ योर लाइफ, ठीक है, फ्यूल कि आपको कुछ भी करना है, यू नीड टू गेट वैलिडेटेड एंड दिस इज़ वेरी नेचुरल. हमने दिमाग में पता नहीं प्री कंसीव्ड ये बना लिया कि इट इज समवेयर नेगेटिव, कि यार इसको तो रेगुलर वैलिडेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. ऑब्वियसली यार सबको वैलिडेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है, बट इट्स जस्ट कि कुछ लोग दिखा पा रहे हैं, कुछ लोग मांग पा रहे खुल के, कुछ लोग नहीं मांग पा रहे. बट द पॉइंट इज कि अब वो वैलिडेशन हमें चाहिए. And in the longer run, the more validation you will get, the more you will achieve. क्योंकि it's that sense of satisfaction कि you are worthy enough. But बहुत सारा ऐसा family setting होता है, even बहुत लोग literally बहुत isolated होते हैं life में. So if these things are, I mean these peoples are unable to give you that much validation, how you are going to proceed with your life if you don't have the fuel for it? That's what I'm saying. You are already abundant with this. You just need to wake up and start validating yourself. You just need to hit that realization कि ये आप खुद भी कर सकते हो, इसमें आप literally self sufficient हो. But इसके लिए एक cost आता है. The cost is you need to understand yourself fully. You need to have that self awareness to the core कि वो जो understanding है आपका खुद को लेकर के, वो कोई shake नहीं कर सकता. And there you win the game. Then allow yourself to change your mind. अब देखो, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है ना कि we might feel rigid to our plans. In my other videos I have said that कि हमें destination पता है कि this is the destination that we are about to reach, but we need to be flexible with our journey. It's same because growth requires updates. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, हमारे environment में हो रही है, हमारे अंदर हो रही है. There are a lot of things, but we can't be rigid. And the more rigidity you will follow, the more stiffness it will be in your whole life and everything, like everywhere around you. So start being flexible to yourself, flexible towards your goal. And changing doesn't mean failing. क्योंकि हमें लगता है ना कि अगर हम अपना प्लान, ये हम फिक्स प्लान है, rigid plan है, the moment we are flipping, then we are feeling no, it's not fail. It means that you are able to adapt according to the situation, according to the scenario, or whatever your mind says. It also means that you are able to take the right decision at the right point of time, and that makes your self-trust grow. Then comes, every night I would like to suggest end your day with self-acknowledgement. Ask yourself, did I show up honestly today? Or did I even show up? क्योंकि most of the time क्या होता है ना, be it the fear or the somewhere if we don't understand who we are or don't understand our own worth, या फिर somewhere we doubt ourselves, we don't even show up, but show up. And sometimes saying it to yourself that you are enough matters a lot. So yes, you are enough, but you'll have to start believing it as well, because the more you'll believe, the more you will trust yourself, and the more you will know how to acknowledge each and everything going within you, and the more you will understand the self-validation process. So when you validate yourself, you stop begging the world to understand you. क्योंकि जब हम इसमें सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बन जाते हैं, सक्षम बन जाते हैं किसी चीज़ में, ठीक है, इफ थिंग्स आर देयर एक्सटर्नली अगर आपको मिल रहा है, दैट इज़ वेरी मच फाइन, बट वो जो नीड है वो एक्सटर्नल नहीं रहता है. It is very much internal now, and then there comes a point. Internally, you are abundant. Thank you, everyone.